Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from Australia to India. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, I'm simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that, the one very easy and accessible method would be simply for you to access Western Union, which is available worldwide, and it is so all you have to do is go to your computer and simply go ahead, access your browser and type in westernunion.com, and then you will land on their official website like over here. All you have to do, tap on this send money afterwards. So if you're doing it from Australia, your country will automatically be changed. So right over here you can see we do have this find a location, money in minute to bank account to a mobile phone. You have three options. First of all, if this is the first time you're doing all, I'll suggest you guys to go through these three options accordingly and read it through. So let's say if you would like to send money to a bank account, we tap on the search for agent location near you. So once you have done so, we will simply be able to fill up the form including receiver's bank and account information, give the agent the complete form with the application funds, the money that we would like to send, and save your receipt with the tracking number, and then the money will be deposited into your receiver's qualifying account within three bank business days in the destination country. Right, all they have to do is afterwards, once you have searched for an agent and went to their official location, fill up the form, provided them the funds and your receiver's account information, you will be able to let you receive the code, and then they will visit the Western Union nearby them and they will present the code and receive the money. That is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.